Welcome to our channel. Today we how to set up TaxJar to file sales tax returns accurately, complete guide step by step clearly. First, visit the TaxJar website and sign up for an account. Fill in your business information, including your name, email address, and password. Once confirmed, log into your TaxJar account. Next, navigate to the Settings tab on the left sidebar. Here, you will set up your sales tax settings. Select the states where you are required to collect sales tax based on your business activities. For each state, indicate whether you have nexus there. After you've added your states, proceed to the Connect Your Account section. Choose your e-commerce platform or payment processor from the list provided. Follow the prompts to authorize TaxJar to access your sales data. Once connected, head to the Reports tab to view a summary of your sales and tax collected. Review this data to ensure accuracy. Now, move on to the Filing section of TaxJar. Here, you will see upcoming filing deadlines for each state. Select the state you wish to file for. Verify the information shown and check for any discrepancies. If everything looks accurate, click on File Return. Follow the prompts to submit your sales tax. Be sure to keep a record of your filing confirmation. Finally, regularly check your TaxJar account for ongoing updates to your sales data. By following these steps, you will have successfully set up TaxJar to file your sales tax returns accurately. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.